Hello students, in previous video we have started revision of exercise of chapter 9 and we have revised fill-ups and true false. Now let us revise the MCQs and question answers of this chapter. So first MCQ is, out of the following, the fuel that is best for reducing environmental pollution. That means most of the fuels produce smoke and increase the environmental pollution, but out of these four, one fuel is the best for reducing environmental pollution. So options are diesel, coal, compressed natural gas and cow dung cakes. So we know that CNG is a green fuel, right? And it is best for reducing environmental pollution. CNG, compressed natural gas. Whereas diesel, coal and cow dung cakes produce smoke. And a good fuel is one that, so what is the quality of a good fuel? Does not burn easily? No. Is costly and not easily available? No. Does not produce smoke or leave ash? So yes. गुड फ्यूल क्या होता है? जो स्मोक भी प्रोड्यूस नहीं करता और जलने के बाद ऐश भी नहीं छोड़ता. ऐश मीन्स राख भी नहीं छोड़ता. Is not easy to store. So this is the correct option. Next is a fuel that is not obtained. A fuel that is not obtained by refining petroleum is. So पेट्रोलियम को रिफाइन करने से हमको इनमें से क्या नहीं मिलता? पेट्रोलियम मीन्स क्रूड ऑयल, और क्रूड ऑयल को रिफाइन करके हमें पेट्रोल मिलता है, डीजल भी मिलता है, केरोसिन भी मिलता है. बायोगैस नो. सो बायोगैस इज अ फ्यूल which is not obtained by refining petroleum. And next is, cut out of the following the energy source that is a renewable energy source. So इनमें से कौन सा renewable energy source है? पेट्रोल, wind, diesel, coal. So wind is a renewable because we know that petrol, diesel and coal are fossil fuels and these are non-renewable. Next is coal. A common fossil fuel is formed. तो coal कैसे form होता है? From the waste of animals? No. From dead sea creatures? By decay of water plants? By decay of vegetation under heat and pressure over a long period of time. So yes, this is the correct option because it needs high temperature and pressure, and after a long period of time it gets converted into fossil fuels. Now question answers. State the main function of a fuel. So we have learned that the main function of fuel is to produce energy on burning. फ्यूल क्या करता है? उसका मेन फंक्शन एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस करता है. कब प्रोड्यूस करता है? जब वो बर्न होता है. सो द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ फ्यूल is to produce energy on burning. Give one example each of solid fuel, solid, liquid and gaseous fuel. Very easy question. One example लिखना है, solid fuel, liquid fuel and gaseous fuel. So example of solid fuel is coal and liquid fuel is petrol, diesel, आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं, and gaseous fuel CNG. So we know many examples and you have to write only one. Solid fuel में wood भी हो सकता है, coal भी हो सकता है, और भी cow dung cakes भी हो सकते हैं, बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं, but you have to write only one example of each. Why is biogas regarded as a better fuel than cow dung cakes? So biogas is regarded as a better fuel than cow dung cakes because biogas does not produce smoke on burning and leave ash after burning. जो बायोगैस है वो जलते हुए स्मोक भी प्रोड्यूस नहीं करता और जलने के बाद राख भी नहीं छोड़ता. Whereas in case of cow dung cakes, it produce lots of smoke as well as leave ash after burning. So it is regarded as better fuel, right? Why is CNG called a better green fuel? So CNG better green fuel क्यों है? because it cause less air pollution ये as compared to other fuels like diesel, petrol, ये कम एयर को पोल्यूट करती है. Second is more eco-friendly and causes less harm to the health of humans and animals. So animals की और humans की health को भी harm कम पहुंचाता है because ये कम air pollution करता है. So it is regarded as better green fuel, environment friendly इसलिए green fuel. Name the three main fossil fuel. Very easy question. Three main fossil fuels are coal, crude oil or petroleum and natural gas. Right? Coal, crude oil को ही हम petroleum भी बोलते हैं. So coal, petroleum and natural gas. Right? State two disadvantages of fossil fuels. तो fossil fuels की क्या disadvantages है? So first is they are non-renewable, right? सबसे बड़ी disadvantage है कि वो non-renewable है. And second is they produce smoke on burning. जब ये जलते हैं तो बहुत smoke produce करते हैं जिससे environment pollute होता है. So these are the two disadvantages. First is they are non-renewable. Second is they produce smoke on burning. Now, next, how have fossil fuels been formed? Fossil fuel कैसे बने? So fossil fuels are formed by decomposition of animals and plants matter buried deep under the surface of earth. जो प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स है मैटर है वो क्या हो गया डिकम्पोज सड़ गए बरिड कहाँ दब के जमीन के बहुत नीचे दब के जहाँ पर उन्हें एट हाई टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर प्रिवेलिंग देयर जहाँ उन्हें बहुत हाई टेम्परेचर और प्रेशर मिला एंड सच डीप बरिड एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट्स मैटर गॉट चेंज्ड इनटू फॉसिल फ्यूल्स ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स. So it takes millions of years. Next is when is a source of energy said to be a renewable source of energy? Give two examples of such sources. तो sources of energy को हम renewable कब बोलते हैं? तो sources of energy which are freely available and which can be readily replenished, they are called renewable sources of energy. जो फ्रीली अवेलेबल है जितना मर्जी यूज करो वो खत्म ही नहीं होंगे एंड जितना भी यूज करो वापस से उतने ही फुलफिल हो जाए भर जाएंगे मिल जाएंगे. सो दे आर कॉल्ड रिन्यूएबल सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी एंड एग्जांपल्स आर सोलर एनर्जी एंड विंड एनर्जी. राइट? एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट अदर सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी लाइक टाइड एनर्जी. These all are renewable sources of energy. When is source of energy said to be a non-renewable? Next question, non-renewable sources कब बोलते हैं? So sources of energy which once used, एक बार use कर लिया cannot be readily replenished. जब एक बार use कर लिया फिर वो हमें दोबारा नहीं मिलते उनको हम बोलते हैं non-renewable sources of energy. So examples are coal and petroleum, that is fossil fuels. And how is coal used by powerhouses for generating electricity? So electricity generate करने के लिए coal किस तरह से use करते हैं powerhouses? So you know that first of all coal को burn करके क्या किया जाता है? Steam produce की जाती है, water को boil किया जाता है. So powerhouses often burn coal to convert water into steam. Water को boil करेंगे और उससे क्या produce होगी? Steam. And this steam energy is used to operate turbines. और जो steam energy होती है इससे जो turbines है उनको operate किया जाता है and which in turn help to generate electricity. और जब turbine rotate होता है तो उससे electricity produce होती है, generate होती है. And last one, why should efforts need to be made to reduce the use of fossil fuels? तो हमें fossil fuels को कम से कम यूज क्यों करना चाहिए? So because they are available in limited quantity and they are not likely to last for a long time. तो लिमिटेड क्वांटिटी में और ज़्यादा टाइम तक नहीं बचेंगे, चलेंगे. So they are also a major cause of environmental pollution. And second is कि वो environment pollution के भी कारण है, वो बहुत प्रोड्यूस करता है स्मोक, जिसकी वजह से environment pollute होता है. So in next video we will start the revision of chapter 10. Thank you.